Good morning, students. So now our unit number 8 is celebrating Friendship Day. So your first warm up exercise is write the name of any 4 of your good friends. So in the given place you have to write names of your any 4 good friends. Now see what is your lesson. Miss Sujana Kapoor entered the class looking cheerful as ever. The children wished her excitedly. They knew that they had to discuss and plan life skill project for coming week. Now what happened? Miss Sujana Kapoor is a teacher of a class and she was very excited to come into the class. So when she came into the class, all the children wished her and children were also very excited to see her because she was going to give the project to the childrens. Now, as they settled down, Sujana said, "Children, the Friendship Day falls on the first Sunday of August every year. Since Sunday is a holiday, we all will celebrate it on coming Monday, 4th of August. It is an important day for all of us. Our next life skill project will be related to it." Now see what happened. What is this Sujana Kapoor is saying? She is asking all the students to settle down. After they settle down, she said that all of you know that Friendship Day will be coming on Sunday, on first Sunday of August. So on Sunday we will not have the school, so we will be celebrating on coming Monday. All the students were very excited and she said that it is a very important day for all of us and it will also be our next life skill project. You see, friends add a new meaning to life. They help us through thick and thin and it is a joy to be with them. Let us celebrate this Friendship Day in a special way. The students nodded. Yes, ma'am. Can you give a suggestion? Now what happened? What is this teacher saying? That you know that Friendship Day is a very special day. Our friends are very important to us. They will be with us in our bad and good times also. So we will celebrate this Friendship Day in a very cheerful way, in a very special way. So all the students nodded their heads and said, "Okay, ma'am." So now the teacher is asking for the suggestion with the students. Rupa was sitting in the last row. "Ma'am, we always tie friendship bands to our friends and give them cards also." Salma stood up. "Ma'am, I think we should have a special class party." Sujana said, "Okay." Anyone else? Now what happened? All the students started giving the suggestions. So one girl named Rupa from the last row, she is saying that, "Ma'am, every day on the day of Friendship Day, we will tie the friendship bands to our friends and we also give them the cards." The next student is saying that, "Ma'am, we should do a very good class party." So teacher said, "Yes, okay." Anyone else have any other suggestion? So Robert got up next. "We can bring one of our favorite dishes that we specially prepare during festivals. We can share our food with all of the friends in the class. That will be fun," said most of the students. The teacher smiled. "Let the dishes be a surprise. Remember, we should always share our things, especially our favorite things, with others and be good friends." So the preparation of the D-Day began. Now see what happened. Now Robert, a boy, got up and he said that, "Teacher, I think we should make our favorite dishes that we prepare on the days of festival and we should share with all our friends in the class." So teacher smiled and said that, "Yes, we should always share our favorite things with others because that create a bond between us. So that will make us the good friends. So you all keep your dishes surprise. Don't say anyone what dishes you are going to bring." And they all started the celebration of the D-Day. What do you mean by D-Day? D-Day means any important day is called as a D-Day. Some children prepared homemade cards and some made friendship bands. They discussed with their mothers about the dishes to be taken to the class. As the bell rang for the lunch break on Monday, the day of celebration, children took out their lunch boxes, cans and packets of food. They wished Sujana, ma'am and one another happy Friendship Day. Friendship Day bands were tied and the cards were exchanged. There was a smile on everyone's face. Now see what happened. Some children prepared handmade. What happened? Some children were preparing handmade cards and handmade friendship bands for their friends. Apart from that, what happened? So many students were discussing with their mothers that what food they have to make. After that, they came to school. The bell rang and the celebration day started. So at the time of celebration, all the students took out their packets, food packets, boxes, cans, whatever they bought, they took that all out and they their teacher that happy friendship day, and they also wished their friends. Now they started exchanging their cards and friendship bands with each other. Maninder said, I have got chole bhatura. I have also bought some halwa for you all. These are usually prepared on Guru Purab. Please have it, friends. Now what happened? One boy named Maninder, what he did, he said that I brought chole bhatura and I also bought the halwa. This food is prepared on Guru Purab in our house. So Guru Purab is a festival of Sikh people. So this Mahinder was a Sikh, so he bought the food that was prepared on Sikh festival. Abbas also opened the lunch box. Please have the sevaiya that my mother has prepared for you all. We have it specially during Eid ul Fitr. Now the next boy name is Abbas. He also bought sevaiya. He bought sevaiya because in his house it used to be prepared on the day of Eid ul Fitr. Next, Meenakshi said, all this looks so tempting. My mother has sent rasgullas, a special dessert for you all. So now this girl, what did Meenakshi say? That I am prepared, my mother prepared rasgulla, please have it. Meanwhile, Christina took out a packet. Friends, you all must have this cake that I got. The next girl was Christina. What did her mother do? Her mother baked a cake. So she bought a cake for everyone. Suhani said, that looks as delicious as the Christmas cake. Well, I have got sweets for you all. Mother always prepared this during Mahavir Jayanti. She woke up early and made this for you all. Now the another girl is Suhani. So what she did, that Suhani said that it is the cake looked very delicious, like a Christmas tree. And she also bought sweets for everyone. Her mother used to prepare that sweets during Mahavir Jayanti. She woke up early and prepared all the sweets for the students. Ritu chuckled. What variety? I have got gulab jamuns that are prepared during Holi. Robert asked quite so far, smiling at everyone. He spoke loudly. Please listen to me now. I have bought biryani for everyone. Soon everyone shared the food, offering each other various dishes. Now Ritu was the another girl. What she said that everyone have bought variety of foods and I have brought gulab jamun that are prepared during Holi. So now the other boy was Robert. He was sitting quietly and listening to everyone. At last the Robert said that I have bought biryani for everyone. So come on, let's come and share our tiffins. Rupa was somewhat aloof. Sujana looked at her. Rupa, what's the matter? Join others and enjoy. Rupa went close to her and spoke softly. I couldn't bring anything today. My mother has gone out of station for some work. I am sorry. Sujana bends towards her. It doesn't matter, dear. I am sure everyone will be very glad to share eatables with you. Come on, children, let Rupa also join you all. Within minutes, Rupa was smiling like others and busy enjoying herself. Rupa added, Ma'am, can we make some food aside for those children who live near our school on the streets? Now see what happened. Rupa was a little girl from that. She was aloof. Aloof means who is not getting friendly or who is not getting close to her friends. So the teacher saw and said her that, what happened, Rupa? Why are you not enjoying with all of them? So she said that, ma'am, I am unable to bring the tiffin because my mother was out of station and I have no one to cook food at home. So her teacher said that, no problem, Rupa, your friends will be very happy to share the tiffins with you. So come with them and enjoy. So within a few minutes, what happened? All her friends started sharing food with her and she was busy. Then after some time, Rupa said that, ma'am, can we share our food with the children who live near the street? Rupa, their parents are construction workers. Miss Sujana nodded. Yes, why not? Keep some food aside in this packet. She felt very happy as she watched the children sharing, caring and offering each other something or the other to eat. There was laughter and cheer in the air. She said to herself, I knew they all spread this love all around. So now what happened? Her teacher said that, yes, we will definitely share the food with the children who are on the street. Keep some food aside in the packet. So all the children were keeping the food aside for the children who were on the street. By seeing that, teacher was very much happy, very much delightful, and she said that I knew that these children will definitely be spreading their love all around. Once the party was over, Miss Sujana said, children, clean your decks and keep your boxes and packets neatly in your bags. I noticed that none of you dropped any trash on the floor. All of you used the dustbin. Good. Now what happened after the lunch was over? Teacher said that, come on children, keep all your things in your desks and clean your desk as soon as possible. I have seen that no one has thrown anything down. You all use the dustbin as you all are good students. Christina said, excuse me ma'am, we will celebrate Friendship Day. This was every year. Miss Sujana smiled. Sure, you all should remember that friendship is very valuable. You all have learned about sharing and caring. It strengthens the bond of friendship. You should help your friends in need also. All the students said, yes ma'am. Miss Sujana continued. Now I want you all to write 2 short paragraphs about this celebration. What does friendship mean to you? You must mention the names of the dishes what are prepared during different festival celebrations that were brought by your friends. The children got down to work. The teacher continued. Remember that you may come from different backgrounds or believe in different religions or your mother tongue may vary. But when you share and care, you always are good friends. That is the true meaning of friendship. The children said in a clear voice, yes ma'am. So now what happened? Christina was one of the students. She said that, excuse me ma'am, we will celebrate every year Children's Friendship Day in this way only. So the teacher was also very happy and she said that yes, we will do this every day. Every year we will be celebrating it. Now you all have learned that sharing and caring is very important. This makes the people a very good friend of you. So all of you in your life, you should share and care with your friends. And now she also gave a work to all the students saying that you have to write down the 2 paragraphs about the Friendship Day. You need to write down what do you feel about your friendship, what all the dishes were bought by your friends, how you all exchanged it. So the students got on their work and they started writing. So her teacher also said that you all may come from different places, you all may celebrate different religion, but whenever you share and care, you all become good friends. So everyone shouted, yes ma'am. Miss Sujana further added, I will take this packet of food that you all have kept aside. I will give it to the children of the construction worker when I leave in the afternoon. Some of you who live nearby can come along. A few students raised their hand. Yes ma'am, we will. Now what she said, now this food that you have kept for the street children whose parents are construction worker, while going I will give them to that workers. If anyone want, they can join me. So some of the students said, yes ma'am, we want to join. So this is your lesson. This completes your 8th unit.